Hello, everyone, and welcome to this review on Duda. Duda is a powerful website builder designed to cater to both DIYers and professional web designers. We love the fact that it strikes the balance between ease of use and advanced features, thus making it a versatile tool for various website needs. The key features include a drag and drop interface, which is great if you're doing your website yourself with little to no experience. With this feature, you can create stunning websites without any coding knowledge. Simply drag and drop elements onto your page to build your desired layout. We love to have responsive designs, and Duda ensures your website looks great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones, with its inbuilt responsive design capabilities. And what's a service without the proper use of AI? AI-powered design suggestions gives you great personalized design recommendations based on your content and industry, helping you to optimize your website's visual appeal. If you're interested in e-commerce, you can sell products and services directly from your website with Duda's integrated e-commerce features. This includes the shopping cart features, payment processing, and inventory management. And if you have a website or a business, SEO optimization is paramount. Duda will help you to improve your website's search engine visibility with built-in SEO tools that help you to optimize your content. If you're an advanced user and you'd like to make some customizations with CSS and HTML editing, Duda offers an advanced customization option, thus enabling you to create a truly unique website. On the pros and cons, we appreciate the fact that it's user-friendly. It also has a responsive design capabilities, and it also comes with AI-powered design suggestions. The e-commerce functionality is important, and the SEO optimization tools are key. And more experienced users would appreciate the advanced customization options with CSS and HTML. On the flip side, you have limited template options compared to some other competitors. The learning curve for the advanced features might be a bit of a challenge. And now I'd like to talk about the pricing. With 5 different payment plans, you have the option to pick from any, ranging from basic, team, agency, white label. And if you don't find something here and you're looking for something more robust, you can go over to the custom where you can contact and talk to them and see what more can be done to customize a plan for you. With the basic, you get one site, and the agency comes with 4 sites included. The basic, team, and agency comes with AWS hosting. And if you purchase any of these plans, you are sure to have 1 year of a free domain. There are more features to consider, but you can go ahead and check them out for yourself depending on your needs to see what is best for you. Overall, Duda is a strong choice for building professional websites. It's a good balance of ease of use and powerful features, making it suitable for a wide range of users. However, it's important to consider your specific needs and budget before deciding if Duda is the right fit for you. If you found this helpful or if you're using Duda, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.